Tesla has received countless orders for the Model 3, its first mass-market electric car, and while the company continues to struggle to ramp up production so as to meet its delivery targets, it's going to open up orders for a new model of the mass-market electric car soon. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed that customers will be able to order a dual-motor Tesla Model 3 from the company starting next week. This announcement can also be taken as a sign that the situation is improving on the Model 3 production line. Musk has confirmed through Twitter that the company will now be able to take orders for the dual-motor Model 3 by the end of next week. Those customers who have been waiting for the all-wheel drive model can now find out how much they will have to pay for the options and get their orders in. Tesla is expected to start production on the dual-motor models in July, which is in line with what Musk had promised last month. Some Tesla fans might remember that the dual motors used to be a $5,000 option on the Tesla Model S before the company offered it as part of the standard kit. The all-wheel drive option is now part of the standard kit on the Model X as well. Musk also mentioned in his tweet that the air suspension option for the Model 3 could be available by next year. Filed in transportation. Read more about Tesla and Tesla Model 3. Related articles.